The average business takes 47 hours to respond to a new inbound lead. An MIT study found you are 100 times more likely to reach that lead if you respond within 5 minutes. These 3 tools solve that problem automatically. Setter AI responds within 60 seconds of a form submit via SMS, email, or voice, qualifies the lead with a scripted conversation, and books directly onto your sales calendar. Trust MRR's Stripe verified data shows 7.86 times revenue per visitor, the highest of any AI tool in that dataset. It is the top pick across communities like sales and entrepreneur for real estate, insurance, and B2B inbound leads. GoHighLevel handles the same problem at the agency level. Missed call text back, AI chat, built-in CRM, and calendar routing, all starting at $97 a month. It is the most mentioned tool in small business and agency forums for speed-to-lead workflows, and the $297 plan lets agencies white label and resell to unlimited clients. For technical teams who want full control, Vapi builds custom AI phone agents at 0.055 per minute. Over 200 threads in the AI agents community recommended for voice quality and the ability to use any LLM as the conversation model. Links to all 3 tools are in the description below, along with the full pricing breakdown and comparison table. Subscribe for weekly AI tool comparisons like this one.